is called plant animals.
We are going to read book.
We are going to read book.
Plants animals.
Plant animals. The fox.
What do you spy here?
I see the fox.
What do you spy here?
I
You
see-
spy a lion.
No.
Yes. Or a fox?
Yes, a fox.
Yes, the fox. So,
Yes. The elephant.
what do you spy here?
I see the elephant.
See elephant.
The elephant. The giraffe.
What do you spy here?
I see the giraffe.
Giraffe.
Đọc gì nữa? Đọc giraffe. Nè,
Giraffe.
thôi đồ năng nè.
What do you,
The lion.
what do you spy here?
I
The lion.
see lion.
Excellent. Yeah. Next one. Next one.
The zebra.
What do you spy here?
I see the
The-
zebra. The zebra.
Good job. Next one. Next one.
The ostrich.
What do you spy here?
I see the ostrich.
I spy. I spy gì?
I buy my ostrich.
I spy a
Ostrich.
the ostrich. Well done.
That's why
Select one. Select one.
I don't know.
Đấy, select one.
Con biết. It's
The-
the crocodile. The crocodile.
What do you spy here?
I see the crocodile.
I
See?
spy
Yes, I buy. Good.
the crocodile.
The crocodile.
Next one. Next one. Honey. Next one.
A fox.
The
The
Planes. The last one. What do you spy here?
I see
The planes. You are so wise.
Yes.
Which animals live on the plains? Honey, which animals
Fox.
live on the plain?
Fox.
Fox,
Elephant. Giraffe. Crocodile. Lion. Sheep. Ostrich. Zebra.
hết chưa?
Yes, hết rồi.
Elephant,
Elephant. Đọc rồi mà.
good job.
Bye teacher, goodbye everyone. Bye.